In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the VirindiChatSystem. So, assuming that you got the batch file to fully install, you should be able to go to C, Games, Virindi Plugins, VirindiChatSystem, and you should see a bunch of WAV files here. If you don't, you can easily just go back to your downloads, and you can either relaunch the installation, or you can go to step 26 and right click and grab this folder and replace the one that's in C Virindi Games. So I'm just going to do that now so y'all can see. Bam. It may error if you're logged into game. Make sure you're closed out of Asheron's call all the way before pasting that. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and I am going to log into game. And the rule that I'm going to be using as an example is one that you all hear the most often, and that is the item detected rule. So if you've ever used the chat system before, you've heard this little WAV file. That pops up every single time Virindi sees something that matches one of the rules in the list here. So how it's doing that. The action is set for item detected wave 1. So, action number 1, item detected wave. Okay. Pattern. It's this rule right here. It's saying do action number 1 anytime you see in window 1, which is the main chat window, and any color, pattern text that starts with VS matching item detected and star for wildcard, because it could be anything that's coming up in your loop profile. So that's how that's working. So if you want to change the sounds, if you want to disable something, here's where you would move it. You would close, move it up or down on the list in priority, up to you. User preference, but that's how the chat system works. So, enjoy!